I made a playlist ranking all my tutorials based on a difficulty level. You can go through them to become a yo-yo master. Plus, I also have left-handed versions also included in there. Link down in the description. For supporting me over on Ko-Fi. If you really like my stuff and want to help me support that, you can go over on Ko-Fi. I have no benefits there. Just if you like it, like what I'm doing, whatever, want to help support it, cool, thank you. And if not, hey, subscribe and give me a like, super cool. Send to list to my Discord channels or any friends you think they can help from it as well, it'd be very cool. And yeah, also have a playlist as well. So you can go through all the different levels. Like if this was too hard for you, try an easier one. Or if it was too easy for you, you then try a more difficult one. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy it. Alright, thank you. Alright, bye-bye.